Hey girl, I'm here to invite you into upcoming 5-day free workshop. I'm going to show you all the toxins that are literally around you, how they are affecting your hormones. I think it's very important because endometriosis is hormonal illness. It's mean too high estrogen, and every single day, even without knowing it, we are destroying our hormones. So in these 5 days, I'm going to talk to you all about things that you're using every single day that are destroying your hormonal health, because doctor's not going to tell you that, no one is talking about it. So I thought, let's just do this 5 days workshop so we can enter the new year with the new knowledge, so we can take care of our bodies a little bit better. I'm also re-evaluating my coaching practice, and I decided that I'm no longer will be doing one-on-one coaching. But there are two reasons behind it. First of all, the time just takes way too much time, and the second of all is accessible only for those who can afford high ticket price, and I don't think is fair. When I started, I always says that I don't leave anyone behind, and I will always take care of every single one of you. So by the next year, I'm gonna be moving from the one-on-one coaching to subscription-based community. It's gonna be very cheap, it's gonna be accessible for everyone, and you're gonna find everything what you need to heal. So the 5 days workshops start at the 19th, and it's gonna be 5 days. That means 19, 20, 21st, 22nd and 23rd. So we are going to finish just before the Christmas. You don't have to sign up for anything. It's all gonna be run here on the YouTube, so you can come in and catch up with everything whenever you've got time. Thank you so much for everything. I love you so much, and I will see you at 19th. Bye.